Is your Silhouette not connecting to your computer? No worries, just follow along. Step 1. Make sure your machine is turned off. Step 2. Unscrew the lid at the back of your machine. Step 3. Remove the Bluetooth dongle and replace it with a new one. Step 4. After replacing the Bluetooth dongle, screw the lid back on. If you've completed the steps above, great. Let's try reconnecting our Silhouette to the computer. Step 5. Return to your computer and press the Windows Start button. Step 6. Type Bluetooth and other devices, and click on Open. Step 7. On the Settings page, scroll down and locate your Silhouette machine. Step 8. Select the machine model and press the Remove button. Step 9. Click on Yes in the confirmation pop-up. Step 10. After removing your machine, select the Add Bluetooth or Other Device option to reconnect it. Note: make sure your Bluetooth and Silhouette machine are turned on. Step 11. Select Bluetooth and wait for your computer to discover your machine. Step 12. Click on the Silhouette machine model name that appears on the screen. Step 13. Press the Done button. Step 14. Return to Silhouette Studio and click on Rescan to reconnect the Silhouette to your computer. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at 1-786-866-5932, 44-203-983-0480.